Stop fighting your metrology software. Start engineering with it. Introducing Uni Measurement Hub. If you work in advanced metrology, you know the struggle. Building complex, multi-layered measurement recipes usually means fighting against rigid software, memory leaks, and black box architectures that crash when you need to scale. We decided it was time to fix that. Take 2 minutes and 30 seconds to watch the video below. I am incredibly proud to introduce Uni Measurement Hub SW, a next-generation metrology recipe engine built from the ground up for absolute precision, scalability, and workflow transparency. We didn't just build a measurement tool. We built a completely bulletproof metrology ecosystem. Here is what makes Uni Measurement Hub fundamentally different. Deep, unlimited recipe hierarchies. True metrology requires complex flows. Uni Measurement Hub introduces a flawless nested architecture. Layers, pattern recognitions, PR, measurements, calculated metrics. Whether you need 1 PR or 25 PRs per layer, with dozens of nested measurements, the UI and the underlying engine stay perfectly synchronized. Advanced AI and pre-processing on the fly. Why export your images to clean them? Uni Measurement Hub features built-in local denoise and EIQ algorithms. It even includes a dedicated neural network training engine, SNS, right in the UI, allowing you to train noise reduction models on your exact local patches instantly. Bulletproof batch execution. We engineered a true source disk reading architecture. Say goodbye to cross-contamination, memory leaks, or ghost UIs. Uni Measurement Hub utilizes absolute path isolation and dynamic relative workspace mapping. When you hit Test All or run a batch, the engine flawlessly transitions between hundreds of targets with zero stale memory. Instant, deep analytics measurements mean nothing without context. As you build your recipe, the results dashboard populates live. Instantly visualize your data through histograms, box plots, trend lines, power spectral density graphs, and interactive 3D topography profiles. Whether you're measuring standard line/space features, complex overlay crosstalk, or relying on advanced segmentation and GSA models, Uni Measurement Hub gives you the control you actually need. Check out the video to see the workflow in action. I'd love to hear your thoughts on where metrology software needs to go next. Drop a comment below or send me a message if you want to talk tech.